Hi, this is Ken Smyers again at the Controls Group North American Meeting 2015. I'm here with a special person, Angie Jarvis. I've known Angie for a while. How long, Angie? About 15, 20 years?
About 15 years.
And Angie has some really, really important special stuff to tell us about ProLon.
Thank you, Kenny. All right, well, everyone, we're super excited to be here at the CG&A show this year. Our ProLon product is a configurable zoning system that is designed for your service and HVAC mechanical contractors. So this is a great system that can be standalone, you can network it together, or you can integrate it into a full-blown automation system as your building needs become that large. We do zoning controls. We have controllers for boilers, for heat pumps. We have a copper theft device. We've got a makeup air units. So it's not just zoning. We've got a lot of different options to help you in your light commercial applications.
And then you're orienting yourself towards, in other words, there's a great thing going around saying how simple and easy your product
Absolutely.
is. And in addition, you have a great website with a lot of YouTube videos.
We do.
For reference points. Tell us about your new simplified version of ProLon.
All right. Well, our website, www.prolon.net, has all the information on it. You can actually download our free software directly from our website. We have training Free software.
What's that all about?
No licensing fees, no upgrade fees. We are making this simple and easy for everyone involved.
Nice. All right. Tell us please, Angie, show us some of the new products.
All right, great. Let me actually bring my buddy Antoine over here, and we'll introduce him, and he can help us with that.
All righty.
Well, thank you, Angie. My name is Antoine Lamache. I'm head trainer for ProLon, and I'd like to introduce you to our little zoning system that is ProLon Generation 2000. So what we have here, air handler and zoning system, typical VAV. So we have our air handler controller M2000 series. We have two VC2000 VAV zone controllers with or without pressure independent flow sensing and different sensor models, digital display, regular, analog type, and of course the network controller that allows integration of this system and other systems for communication. So to show you how easy it is to configure, we'll just move on to the configuration software. So let me introduce you to the Focus software. So we've got version 601. So that software, by the way, is totally free and be downloaded from the ProLon website. So we'll just create a little system together. So all I need to do is confirm that I want to create a new system.
Right.
I'm hardwired here to USB cable to the communication controller, so that is a serial connection through USB.
Right.
And all I need to know is what type of device am I speaking to here. So we have a rooftop controller with VAV zones. So that is the top of the line here, just a simple drag and drop menu, rooftop control. I type in the communication address that's been set up on the controller, address 20. Here we are. We've got a rooftop controller showing in blue, therefore it's calling for cooling right now. And how do we know that? The zones are calling, so how do we get the zones in? We just hover above, do a simple right click. That prompts up a little menu here, and I go to the last one down called Get List. And the controller will automatically scan its own network, bring up to the screen different zone controllers. In this case, the demo has only two. See, one is showing in green, meaning that it's convertible. We have reached nominal set points exactly. So please forgive the Celsius display as it defaults to that. We'll just change the units to Fahrenheit. So it is a true universal system, and here we are.
It's very easy to use.
Absolutely. And we just double click and start navigation. So this is really a stripped off rooftop unit. Absolutely.
No add-ons, no other parts ready to go. I have a question for you.
Yes.
How do you detect copper theft? I understand you have an interesting feature.
Yeah, well, a copper theft controller is a new controller in our lineup. Actually, it's not yet released. It's coming out soon.
That is an interesting product.
Copper theft is actually shown right here.
I see.
Of course, I don't have one physically connected here, but I could show it to you on an offline session. So these are different controllers that we have. The copper theft is part of them. Water loop controller for cooling towers,
yeah,
boiler.
you have to tell us more about your individual controllers, because I think everybody always thinks of VVT with ProLon.
Exactly.
And you've expanded to do VAV.
Absolutely.
And you've got other controllers.
The core business, of course, is air handlers with typical VAVs. This is how we started many years ago. But of course, we are expanding into all sorts of equipment that need control in the typical light to medium-sized commercial market. This is really the niche market we're after. So in that niche, we will control humidity through humidification, dehumidification sequences as well. We have some boilers. We've developed a boiler controller.
So that would do lead
water loop.
stages?
Absolutely. Multiple boilers, multi-stage, multiple pumps, mixing valves, and all the graphics are embedded.
That'd be great for a snow melt, wouldn't it?
We should work on that, maybe. Probably, yes, definitely. Radiant floor applications, we do that a lot. Actually, it's one of the very interesting features. Our little VAV controller is probably one of the only products on the market that has this embedded radiant floor sequence in it. No added cost. Just plug that sensor, like we've got one right there, floor sensor, slab sensor, and you can actually measure temperature. Allow me to show you. Just come in my controller here, and all I gotta tell it is we're controlling a radiant floor.
I see.
All I do is press apply. I go back to the home page, and I've got visualization of a slab with slab temperature, maintaining within very precise set points, based.
Very sharp, easy to view graphics too.
Absolutely. This was meant for the less experienced installers, mostly the mechanical contractors, the service people, because we feel that they can be empowered with this very powerful software that is extremely easy to use and put in place.
Great. Super. Well, thank you very much.
Well, thank you.
I'll tell you what, Angie, it's been amazing. I think everybody needs to take a very serious look at ProLon. And thank you very much.
Thank you very much.